Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm joined with Jose.
Hello.
Because we're going to be filming another video together. Today we're going to be trying to match 5 outfits of ours together, and we thought this would be a fun video idea to try because we have enjoyed matching in the past and we were just curious if we'd be able to actually intentionally match for the next 5 days. So hopefully we did well and hopefully you guys enjoy it. And also, just to warn you, there's a lot of PDA, so if you're not into that, then sorry, but
that's what happens when I come on the show.
But yeah, we really hope that you guys enjoy this video, and let's just get into it. So for our first outfits, Jose chose his, and then I had to match mine according to his outfit. So he's wearing this red shirt that he got from Buffalo Exchange, and then the black long sleeve underneath is from Goodwill, and then his black pants are from Savers, and then he's just wearing some red Converse that I actually got for him, and he just switched out the white laces for some black laces. For my outfit, I know I have basically worn this already in a previous video of mine, but it was the only thing that matched pretty well to his outfit. So I'm just wearing this red shirt from Savers with my gold chain from H&M, and then my black pants are also from H&M, and I'm just wearing some white Nike Air Force Ones. And this day we just went to a graphic design show from the school that Jose graduated from because a lot of his friends were in it. So I did share some clips from that with you guys. Jose also chose the second outfit, and then I had to match mine to his, and we just wore this to his niece's baptism. And so his long sleeve red striped shirt is from, it was actually a gift from a friend, and then his black jacket was from Goodwill, and then his blue jeans were from Buffalo Exchange, and he's just wearing some black high top Converse. For my outfit, I'm just wearing this red long sleeve turtleneck from Forever 21, and then my jeans are from Uniqlo, and then my black little heels are from H&M. Our third outfits we mutually picked out together because we wanted to make sure that they matched, not only for this video but also because we were going to our baby niece's birthday party as a couple, obviously, and we wanted to make sure our outfits complemented each other. So he's wearing this shirt that he got from Olvera Street, and then his pants he just ordered from Amazon, and then his shoes are from Urban Outfitters. And the party was really cute. It was like Mexican themed, that's why we're wearing like these extra outfits, I guess. So my dress I also got from Olvera Street, and then my nude little sandals I got from this random store in my mall, so I'm not sure where you can get them, but yeah. And then shout out to my little sister for braiding my hair and doing it for me. It turned out so cute, so thank you, little sis. fourth outfit, I actually picked mine, and then Jose had to match his with what I chose, and we were originally planning on filming this somewhere cute outside, but it was so cold and raining actually, so we had to film in my old bedroom, so sorry that the angle is all off and the lighting is weird, and my dog's in the shot, but she's really cute and I love her. But anyway, I'm wearing this black sweater from Forever 21, and my pants are from Savers, and then I just have on my white Nike Air Force Ones again.
Just break it.
It was already broken. Oh, it's really good. For Jose's outfit, he's wearing this blue long sleeve from H&M with just a white shirt underneath, and then his pants are Dickies from Tilly's, and he's wearing his white high top Converse. And for this day, we were just chilling with my family inside because, like I said, it was freezing out, and I did include some clips of us playing Just Dance. I'm sorry, it's really embarrassing, but we were having fun, so hey. Outfit I picked out, and we just wore this to go bowling. I'm wearing this strappy shirt from Forever 21, and then my flared out jeans are from H&M, and then I'm just wearing my white Nike Air Force Ones as always. For Jose's outfit, he's wearing this striped long sleeve that he actually got from China, and then his jeans are just some Levi's, and then he's wearing his high top white Converse. So that's all for today's video. We really hope that you guys enjoyed it, and thank you so much to everyone that took the time to watch it, and I'll see you guys very soon with a brand new video. Bye!